Good morning, Fahim. I saw your email. You had a little bit of a confusion on how to turn in your assignment for week 6, day 4. So when we go to week 6, day 4, we have a presentation, right? So it's basically the presentation is a pair deck. So you'll click on that. You'll log in with your Google username, your fcpsschools.net. You'll complete the pair deck, and I think you already did that, right? And your question was about turning it in. Once it's done and you get to the end, you'll find my name. So whatever block you have me. So I think you have me for R1. So you're going to go to R1 and you'll see this, right? Now this looks different because this is the teacher screen, but your screen should look like this. Right? It should have the assignment. This is a different assignment because I'm a student in a different class. But right here, you'll go add, you'll go to Google Drive. And then you will look for that pair deck assignment. So go to Drive. I may not see it because I didn't do the pair deck, but you'll click on that pair deck and you'll add the document and then you'll turn in. So once you add it, it's just a turn in. You'll turn it in here. Okay? Once you turn it in, I will get it. So that's how you do it. So you press the turn in button, turn in, and then I should get the document. Okay? So once again, when you are ready to submit your work, you're going to go to the tab in the presentation. Let's see, where is it? Hold on. You're going to go to the tab for the class that you have me, right? It says Prohit. You're in my R1. So you'll click on that. It'll take you here. This is the teacher screen. So my screen looks completely different from yours, right? But this is what your screen should look like because you're on the student side. So you'll see add or create. You're going to go to Google Drive, pick the pair deck, add it, and then turn in. Okay? That's how you turn in your assignment for day 4 on week 6. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope all is well. Thank you for